Down the hills where the wild winds roll lies a village we all call home. 5 friends, one destiny. Oinamlong holds our history. From muddy roads to mountain skies, we chased our dreams with open eyes. Barefoot hearts and fearless minds left no memories behind. We are the 5 from Oinamlong. Together we've been brave and strong. Through every storm, through every song, we carried each other all along. Laughing loud, dreaming wide, Oinamlong boys, side by side. Shared our first wins, felt our first fall, carved our names on that old school wall. Fished the streams and climbed the trees, lived our youth wild and free. Now the roads may pull us far, but we're still under the same star. 5 souls, one single root, brothers grown from the same tree. We are the 5 from Oinamlong. Together we've been brave and strong. Through every storm, through every song, we carried each other all along. Laughing loud, dreaming wide, Oinamlong boys, side by side. One day we'll meet where the sky turns gold. Tell the stories we used to hold. Raise a glass to the days we knew. Oinamlong, we're still true. We are the 5 from Oinamlong, bound by love, forever strong. No matter where the road may wind, our village lives in heart and mind. Hand in hand, far on me, Oinamlong brothers always here.